Okay, so I got enough coils finished to complete one phase of the permanent magnet generator, and I only have one rotor on right now. One magnet rotor. I don't have the outer one on yet. It's sitting over here. I have to put it back together yet still, but I was putting these coils in temporarily in a plywood holder. They'll be cast in fiberglass resin when it's completed, but look at the voltage I'm getting out of this thing. There's 17, 18, 19, 20 volts, 24. Now there's no load on it, so that will make a difference, but it's still putting out quite a bit of voltage for how slow it's spinning. And then once I get the other rotor on, the other magnet rotor on the outside, it'll be a lot higher yet than what it is now. Sparking. Yeah, I'm gonna get this other rotor on and see what that's like. Should be a lot more voltage and power both. I went with 21 gauge wire and 360 turns. So it's going to be a very high voltage at a low RPM generator. But I may need to build another stator with maybe 18 gauge wire to get the voltage down and the amperage up a little bit and make it more efficient. But we'll see. I wanted to test this wire out and get one built and get it up and running. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put the other rotor on. See how much voltage we can get out of that. Okay, here's with a 110 volt 65 watt floodlight hooked to it. You got the RPMs and the volts. About 70 RPM, 75. And we're at 49 volts, 50 volts, 78, 54, 84 RPMs, 53 volts. Alright, let's try an open circuit test with no load on it and see what we get. Hopefully you guys can see the voltmeter. There's 110. There's 120 volts at 173 RPM. Nice. There we go.